In this video, we are going to discuss don'ts of Fiverr. Actually, this is also one of the don'ts of Fiverr. Never ask your client to review indirectly, like, please review my order in 5 stars, please give me 5 stars. Fiverr will ban your account, terminate your account for permanent. So yeah, the better ways to, after submitting the delivery, just politely ask your client, like, yeah, I hope you are doing good or you are doing well, and you have liked my work, and simply ask for referrals and such thing, like, please, if someone of your friend is looking for the work, refer them my profile, and simply ask client, if you don't mind, can you please review the order? Thank you. Just one time. Never ask again. That's the most ridiculous thing, to pinch client again and again to review your order. Just simply ask your client, I hope you are doing well, you are happy with the delivery. In case of any problem, please feel free to ask me. In case of any convenience, I'm here to answer you. Please review the order. I've submitted the delivery. Thank you. That's all.